Hi all, in this lecture we will talk about CCA 175 Real-Time Exam Scenario 17. Let's see the data description. All the product records are stored at User Spark dataset RetailDB products, and all the category records are stored at User Spark dataset RetailDB categories. Data is in text format. Schema for product and category is also provided. The output requirement says that get maximum product price in each product category, get minimum product price in each product category, and get average product price in each product category. Round the values to 2 decimal places. Place the result data in HDFS directory. Save the output as a JSON file. Compress the output using deflate compression, and output data should contain the columns category name, max price, min price, and average price. So, in order to solve this problem statement, we should know how to read CSV data as a data frame in Spark. Then we should know how to apply join operation on top of multiple data frames, and we should clearly understand how to apply or how to use aggregation functions to calculate max, min, and average values based on a column. Finally, we should know how to save the data in HDFS in JSON file format and using deflate compression. So let's go to the lab and see. So this is my Spark shell. Let's read the product data first. Spark.read. Now let's infer the schema this time. So the data type will be based on the actual value itself. So I'm gonna say infer schema and the value is true. Dot CSV, because we want to read the comma separated values and providing the file path. Then finally I'll be providing logical column names using 2df. So these are my column names. I got the products data frame. Let's see some of the data. So I'm gonna say products.show give me 5 records. This is my products data frame. The other data frame that we have to read is category data frame. Let's do that. So I'll say well categories is equal to spark.read. Again let's take an option, and I want to say infer schema is true and the value is true dot CSV, and we have to provide the HDFS path. So this is my HDFS path. Then I'll be providing the logical column names using 2df. These are my column names and we are done. So we have categories data frame as well. Let's see some of the data. Categories.show and give me top 5 records. So this is my categories data. Now what I'll do is I will register these 2 data frames as a temp view. So we are done. So we have registered products and categories data frame as a temp view. Okay, now let's fire SQL query on top of this view that we have created, and let's fetch the result. So again I'll be writing the SQL query in a text editor, and then what we can do is we can just copy and paste the query in the shell. Let's write the query here. So we have to calculate category name, max price, min price, and average price. So for that, what I'm gonna do is let's write the query. Select product category ID and let's select category underscore name. Now let's write a very basic query here. So we have to select these 2 columns. From my table is products P join categories C. On P dot product category ID, which is equal to C dot category ID. So the column product category ID in products data frame is equal to category ID in categories data frame. So this is my join condition. Now we have to calculate, this is a simple join condition. We have to calculate the min, max and average of product price here. So I'll be using a group by, and then I have to apply some aggregation function. So for that we can say is category name. Now I'm interested in max of product price, and let's name it max price. So we have to do a round here. We have to apply a round function here because we want two places. We have to round the value to 2 decimal places. So for that I'll be using a round function here. So this is my max price. Similarly, I'll be doing round. I have to calculate min of product price and then round comma 2, and this column will be min underscore price. Finally, we have to calculate average of price. So for that I'll be saying round average product price and then comma 2, and this column name will be avg underscore price, that is average price. From products table, join categories table on P dot product category ID, which is equal to C dot category ID, and we have to do a group by. We have to do a group by product category ID and category name. So we have to write all the column names in group by which are used in select except the aggregate columns. So this is my query. Now let's copy this query from here and let's go back to our Spark shell. Okay, so I'll be saying, well, result is equal to spark.sql, and then I'll be pasting my query here, triple quotes, and this is my query. Okay, this is the end of my query, and we have to select only few columns as a part of result. So for that we can use select and we can specify the column names. So the column names I'm interested in is category name underscore name, and the second column I'm interested in is max price, other column is min underscore price, and the final column is average underscore price. So these are my 4 columns that I want to save in HDFS. Okay, so we got the result data frame. Let's see some of the records. So we can say result dot show and give me 5 records. So this is our data. For every category we have maximum price, minimum price and average price. Now finally we have to save this data in HDFS in JSON file format. Let's do that. So result dot write, which returns a data frame writer, and we can specify the compression using option. So my compression is deflate compression. This is my compression. On top of that I can say .json because we want to save the data in JSON format. This is my HDFS path, and we are done. So let's copy the path and let's go to the other shell that we have, HDFS DFS-ls, providing the path, and we should be able to see JSON file created here. So we can clearly see that we have partitions file created in this at this location, and the file is having extension .json.deflate. That means the data is in JSON format with deflate compression applied on top of it. So we are done. In this problem statement, we have learned how to read CSV data as a data frame in Spark. Then we have learned how to apply a join operation on top of multiple data frames. And then we have applied some aggregate functions to calculate min, max and average values based on a certain column. And finally, we have saved our data in JSON file format and using bflate compression. Thank you.